Are you tired of waiting endlessly for your money after lending it to someone, frustrated with empty promises and broken agreements? In this video, we'll dive deep into the fundamental steps you need to follow to increase your chances of successful debt recovery. We'll explore the importance of documentation, negotiation techniques, and legal recourse when necessary. Plus, we'll address common challenges and provide you with practical solutions. By the end of this video, you'll possess the knowledge and confidence to pursue your rightful dues and reclaim your financial stability. Remember, it's your money, and it's time to take action. People may ask for money from someone for a variety of reasons, driven by personal circumstances and financial needs. Financial emergencies, unexpected expenses, or the lack of sufficient funds to cover basic necessities can lead individuals to seek assistance from others. These situations can include medical bills, housing expenses, educational costs, or even unforeseen events like car repairs or job loss. Additionally, some individuals may borrow money to start a business, invest in opportunities, or pursue their passions. Asking for financial help is often a result of individuals seeking temporary relief from their financial burdens, hoping to bridge the gap between their current circumstances and a more stable future. It's important to approach such requests with empathy and understanding, as lending a helping hand can make a significant difference in someone's life. But it is also important to recover your money after a specific time. Here are some steps to recover money. Number 1. Assess the situation. Take a step back and objectively evaluate the circumstances surrounding the debt. Determine the amount owed, the repayment terms agreed upon, and any supporting documentation or evidence available. Consider the borrower's financial capabilities and willingness to repay, as well as their reasons for non-payment. This assessment will help you develop a clear understanding of the situation and enable you to make informed decisions about the next steps to take. Whether it involves open communication, negotiation, or legal action, a thorough assessment sets the foundation for a strategic approach towards recovering your money. Number 2. Open communication. Reach out to the borrower and initiate a sincere and respectful conversation about the debt. Clearly and calmly express your concerns, reminding them of the agreed-upon terms and the importance of fulfilling their obligation. Listen attentively to their perspective, as there may be genuine reasons for the delay or non-payment. During this dialogue, explore potential solutions together, such as setting up a repayment plan or renegotiating the terms if necessary. By fostering open communication, you establish a foundation of trust and understanding, increasing the likelihood of finding a mutually beneficial resolution that allows you to recover your money while preserving the relationship. Number 3. Set up a repayment plan. Work with the borrower to create a realistic and structured schedule for repaying the debt. Start by determining the total amount owed and agree upon a reasonable timeframe for repayment. Break down the payments into manageable installments that align with the borrower's financial capacity. Clearly outline the terms of the repayment plan, including due dates, payment amounts, and any consequences for missed payments. It is important to document this agreement in writing to ensure clarity and to serve as a reference point for both parties. By establishing a repayment plan, you provide a clear path towards recovering your money while offering the borrower a structured approach to fulfill their obligation. Regular communication and monitoring of the repayment plan will help keep everyone accountable and increase the chances of successfully getting your money back. Number 4. Offer alternative solutions. Understand that the borrower may be facing financial challenges that hinder their ability to repay the debt in the agreed-upon manner. In such cases, proposing flexible alternatives can help both parties reach a satisfactory resolution. Consider options like accepting partial payments, extending the repayment period, or even exploring alternative forms of collateral if applicable. By showing willingness to adapt and accommodate, you create an atmosphere of cooperation and increase the likelihood of recovering your money. It is important to find a balance between protecting your interests and being understanding of the borrower's circumstances. Through open and constructive dialogue, you can find creative solutions that enable you to retrieve your funds while still acknowledging the challenges faced by the borrower. Number 5. Mediation or legal assistance. Mediation involves involving a neutral third party who can facilitate communication and negotiation between you and the borrower, aiming to reach a mutually acceptable resolution. Mediators can help uncover underlying issues, explore compromises, and guide both parties towards an agreement. If mediation does not yield satisfactory results, consulting with a legal professional experienced in debt recovery can provide guidance on the legal avenues available to you. This may include sending a formal demand letter, initiating a small claims court action, or pursuing litigation if necessary. While involving mediation or legal assistance should be a last resort, it can be an effective way to assert your rights and increase the chances of recovering your money in cases where other methods have proven unsuccessful. Number 6. Documentation and evidence. Maintaining a thorough record of the lending transaction, including any written agreements, emails, or text messages, provides a strong foundation for your case. Gather all relevant documents that demonstrate the existence of the debt, repayment terms, and the borrower's acknowledgement of their obligations. Additionally, keep a record of any payments made or missed, along with any communication or attempts to resolve the matter. This documentation serves as compelling evidence should you need to pursue legal action or negotiate with the borrower. It showcases your commitment to transparency and can help strengthen your position in asserting your rights. Presenting evidence, increased chance of getting money back. Number 7. Escalate if necessary. If all previous attempts to get your money back have failed, it may be necessary to escalate the situation. This could involve seeking assistance from higher authorities or taking legal action. Contacting relevant consumer protection agencies or regulatory bodies can be helpful in cases where the borrower's actions violate specific regulations or codes of conduct. Alternatively, you might consider engaging a collections agency to handle the debt recovery process on your behalf. In more severe cases, consulting with a lawyer and filing a lawsuit may be the appropriate course of action. While escalation should be a last resort, it demonstrates your determination to recover what is rightfully yours. Assess the situation carefully and seek professional advice to determine the most appropriate escalation strategy for your specific circumstances. Number 8. Learn from the experience. One important aspect of getting your money back is to learn from the experience. Reflect on the lending situation and evaluate what could have been done differently to mitigate the risk of non-payment. Assess your decision-making process, the level of due diligence performed, and the terms and conditions of the lending arrangement. Consider implementing stricter criteria when lending money, such as conducting background checks or setting clearer repayment terms. Learning from the experience helps you become more discerning and cautious in future lending situations, minimizing the chances of encountering similar issues. It also provides an opportunity to refine your communication and negotiation skills, enabling you to navigate challenging situations with confidence. Remember, every experience is a valuable lesson, and by learning from it, you can better protect yourself and your financial interests moving forward. Through this video, you have gained valuable insights into the strategies, techniques, and steps necessary to navigate the sometimes challenging process of debt recovery. From documenting your agreements to employing effective negotiation tactics and, when needed, exploring legal options, you now possess the tools to take control of your financial destiny. Remember, your money is important, and it is within your power to ensure that it is rightfully returned to you. By implementing the knowledge and advice shared in this guide, you can approach debt recovery with confidence, reclaim what is rightfully yours, and achieve the financial stability you deserve. So, take action, empower yourself, and let your generosity be rewarded. Here's to a future where lending does not equate to losing, but instead becomes a step towards securing your financial well-being. Subscribe the channel for more updates.